Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Betterment exam in Telangana. This guide will help you understand the entire process, from checking your eligibility to successfully submitting your application. We'll cover key aspects like who can apply, what documents you'll need, how to navigate the online portal, and the associated fees. Our goal is to make your application journey smooth and clear, ensuring you have all the necessary information to improve your academic scores. To apply for the Betterment exam, you must meet certain criteria. Primarily, students who did not pass in one or two subjects during their regular intermediate examinations are eligible. Additionally, both first-year and second-year students who wish to enhance their existing scores in any subject can also apply. It's always a good idea to discuss your plans with your college administration. They can provide personalized advice and confirm your eligibility based on the latest guidelines. Applying for the Betterment exam is primarily an online process. First, navigate to the official website of the Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. Look for the dedicated link for supplementary or improvement exam registration. You will then need to accurately fill out the online application form, providing your roll number and other required personal and subject details. After completing the form, carefully review all entered information before proceeding to the payment section. Understanding the fees is crucial for a successful application. For each theory subject, the examination fee is typically 460 rupees. If you are applying for subjects that include practical components, the fee is usually 620 rupees per paper. For those seeking improvement in a past subject, an additional 150 rupees per paper is required. Always ensure timely payment and submission of your application to avoid any late fees or complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.